Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Character.AI not logging in. So first what you want to do is right click anywhere on the Character.AI website. So right click on empty space and click on inspect. So this will pop up, so let's just increase the size. Then go to application and make sure that these are all checked out. Then just click on clear site data. Once that's done, you can exit out of this and go check your extensions. So I'm just going to manage extensions and make sure that you have no antivirus extension, something like Malwarebytes, since that may cause a problem when you're signing in on Character.AI. Just make sure that's turned off, or any other extension that might affect the website. So once you're done, you could restart the website and open it again, and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.